In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play GTA 5 with a controller on PC on Epic Games. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The most convenient way to play GTA 5 from Epic Games with a controller on PC is to actually run the game through Steam. I know that sounds counterintuitive, however, what we can do is add GTA 5 from our Epic Games account into Steam and run the game through Steam. This is necessary because Steam is really good at setting up any sort of controller that you have, even generic ones, which is my case, and it's going to speed up the process. That way we don't have to do any sort of setup or install any additional programs. So what you have to do is minimize Epic Games and open up Steam. Go to your library and then click Add a Game at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then select Add a non-Steam game. This will take you to this window where we can select a program from our computer to add it to our Steam library. What you have to do in here is look for GTA 5, so if necessary, click Browse and browse your computer. Like I said, all you have to do is go to where GTA 5 is installed on your computer from Epic Games and select the executable file for GTA 5 from Epic Games. When you add it to your library, it's going to appear as a non-Steam game over here. You will be able to click on GTA 5, and what you have to do afterwards is click this little gear icon at the right side of your screen. You might have fewer options than I do because I own the game on Steam, but all you have to do is click this little settings icon and go into the properties. Find the controller options on the left side of the menu, and what you have to do is make sure that Steam input is enabled. So go ahead and enable Steam input for GTA 5. It also might be necessary to add Epic Games Launcher over here as a non-Steam game. After you add GTA 5 in the Epic Games Launcher, you can go ahead and simply launch GTA 5 through Steam. It will automatically set up your controller and you will be able to play through the entirety of the game with any brand of controller that you have, as long as Steam input is enabled. I hope I was able to help you on how to play GTA 5 with a controller on PC on Epic Games. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.